Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make 3D sculpture painting. Please watch the video till the end as I've shown 3 different flower technique, leaf technique and bird using sculpture paste. Here I'm using MDF board which is 18 inch in diameter. First, prime the MDF board using Fevicryl white acrylic color. You can use any acrylic color or you can use gesso as well. Apply 2 coats of white acrylic color. Next, I am using teal blue Fevicryl acrylic color. Paint the MDF board with teal blue acrylic color. This is how it looks after coloring it. This is brick stencil. So place it on the MDF board and then secure using a masking tape. Next, take sculpture paste. This is Snow White sculpture paste. So just apply it using a steel knife. It does not have to be perfect, so just keep applying it. So when you remove it, it looks good. It should be of irregular form. Once you complete it, just remove the masking tape and pull it off. You can see that the brick design is formed. Similarly, you can place the stencil on different ends of the MDF board and then create the brick effect. If you are using these kind of stencil, ensure that you follow in the horizontal direction throughout the MDF board. Either use the stencil in the horizontal direction or in the vertical direction. Don't mix up with horizontal and vertical or else it will look very odd. This is how it looks after completing it. Once it's completely dried, using a pencil, just draw the outline where you want the flower arrangements to be made. This is red sculpture paste from Itsy Bitsy. Take small portion of the sculpture paste and spread it evenly on the plastic plate. So here I am showing how to make the first technique of making flowers. Once you spread the sculpture paste, just start scraping it from left to right. Here you can see the formation of a petal. This will be your left side petal. Place it on a different plate or directly place it on the board. Once again, just spread the sculpture paste and then start scraping from right to left. So you will be able to get the right petal. This will be your right petal. So just take the petal and then place it on the MDF board. This is how the right and the left petal looks. Similarly, you can make the right and left portion of the petals and then make the arrangements as I've shown in this video. This is how it looks after completing it. This is how it looks after you make couple of flowers. Next, I'll be showing the second technique of making a sunflower. Here I don't have yellow sculpture paste, so I'll be using white sculpture paste for making sunflower. This is snow spread sculpture paste. Spread the white sculpture paste on the plastic plate as shown. Using a knife, this is painting knife, start scraping on the right and the left and then place it on different plate and then make the petals as shown. Place the petal on the MDF board. Continue making this petal on the outer circle. Next, repeat these petals on the inner circle. Next, for the leaf, for the sunflower, I am using sculpture sap green color. Here I am using the same technique as the sunflower petal technique. This is the third technique for making a flower. Spread the white snow spread sculpture paste on the plate and then start scraping on the left to right and right to left, and then make the petal and then arrange it and place it on the MDF board. Outline the design of a bird using a pencil. Make the design of a bird using the sculpture paste as shown. Color the flowers using Fevicryl acrylic colors. please click on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell icon so that whenever I post any videos, you will be notified with the message.